Good morning, good morning. How is everybody? Happy Tuesday. Here we are. It's 9:15. We have an initial balance set in copper. You know, I'm looking for that first test of IB fade. We had a little bit of a breakdown here, but now we're re-entering value. So I had a stop order that just got hit. So I'm in long at 79.70. Stop below the pivot low, the swing low here. We'll see if we can get up to IB mid at least. So I'll put an order at 80.10. That's it. So I either get hit or I don't. So I'm at 79.70 here. Looks like we're gonna get some chop here, but either way, small risk. About 2-to-1 RR. See if it holds. All right. What else is happening here? So any of you guys that watched yesterday, I did not trade well yesterday. I stayed up late Sunday to watch the Bills game against the Dolphins. The Dolphins lose. It sucked. Was all out of sorts. I was tired. I was not feeling well. My stop just got hit. Small loser there. That one did not work out, but we get out. Did not have great confluence there, but I do like the probabilities of that trade. What I do like is if we come back up here. Here we go. Some alerts here. We got market mid and value area low in the week here. This could create some nice long opportunities, so we'll keep that on alert. We have gold IB coming up here in a minute. So I made some knucklehead trades yesterday, including my Apteros account. So I'm going to draw down in that account for the first time since I started it. I'm several weeks in, so I'm going to be digging out of that drawdown a little bit today. Right now, trading top step accounts. One small loser on copper there. I went long on this re-entry into value. Stopped out right below this swing low. So that one just did not work out. Followed the plan. Just didn't work. I was barely in the money on that one. 2 ticks maybe. Did have this double bottom too. Close to it. We'll see what happens here. This is also 50% area. So let's see if we get down here. Got triple bottom actually on the 15 minute. This will be a triple bottom. I don't have cash flying with me today. I'm flying solo till about 11. So you guys are stuck with just me. Sorry about that. All right, 20 seconds to gold. IB is set. Okay, cool. All right, here we go. IB on gold, platinum. I want to know when we get back up here. Let me know when we get back down here. This is interesting. We got value area low, weekly VWAP, all in one spot. We're at value area. Okay, this is an interesting spot as well. We're at IB mid. Value area high on both the session and the week. That's an interesting trade right here. IB mid, value area high on the session and value area high on the week. All in one spot here. Boom. Let's see if this one holds. And regular trading hour VWAP. Says infamous. Let's take a look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. So I'm long at 43.5. My stops below. Swing low here. See if we can get back up to highs. Or is this just a little bounce? See, this is where when I babysit, I'd want to take profits here and not let it get back to my entry level. So I am going to sit in the discomfort of being up. I'm going to move my stop to break even though. So now I can't lose on the trade. I like to get up to this 54 area. Platinum approaching IB high. Yeah, look at that. We don't have great confluence here. Let's see what it does when it gets there. I like IB mid and 50% and VWAP better. And that's also almost value area low on the week. So let's watch that. Man, gold just came up to my order, didn't fill me. Platinum's really running here, but I don't like the short here. I'm going to wait till it gets a little higher. If it breaks IB, I'm not going to short it there. It's just too, I don't like the breaking into value here. We're well below value area low on the week. All the metals are rallying, so I'm going to hold off on the short on that one. Could very well work, but I'm trying to go with highest probability here. Silver IB is set. VWAP is interesting on silver. I just got stopped out on gold. Big sell off right there. I had a small loser. I moved my stop up just to lock in some gains. I mean, a small winner, I should say. But is this confirmation here? Let's see what happens. I got back in there. Because we're still holding this level. Trade idea is still valid. Not crazy about all the selling, but we'll see what happens. All right, what did Platinum do? Platinum's still sticking at IB high right there. Let's see what the bond levels look like. This is interesting. 50% is close to value area high on the week. IB low is close to value area low. That's the 10-year. This is an interesting long area on bonds. Okay, we're at that triple bottom on copper here. Platinum all the way up to VWAP 50% and value area low. Interesting charts here. Let's see what Platinum does. Copper's at that triple bottom. So Platinum's at that VWAP, 50% IB high, value area low. Gold stopped me out there. We got the market opening up, indices opening up. Watching this area on platinum. Copper dumped through that triple bottom there. And Q looks like it's ripping. All the metals are selling off, but platinum is holding up. See if it follows. Silver at value area high in the week. Session VWAP and IB mid. Gold all the way back down. Okay, platinum up to that level. Looks like it might be doing a breakout, or we'll see if it does a fake breakout. Kind of tipped above that level. Now we might be dropping underneath it. All right. I grabbed a little short on platinum up here. This is the level I was watching, VWAP and IB mid. Oh, I get a returned IB high, 52. Yeah, copper's kind of under this 50% low area. You know, is this a confirmation for more downside? I don't know. I do like that wick on the 15-minute. Let's see. Still like this copper short. Let's see what we do. Probably get back to IB high and then maybe value area low. So I'm watching platinum. Did I say copper? I meant platinum. I'm short at 53.6 right here. Like to see it bleed out from here. We're back below value area low on the week. We're heading back towards value area low on the session. The biggest hurdle right now is IB high, which we're at. I just took some profits there. Hell yeah. What happens here at IB? It looks like we're holding below it. Further downside, I am 35, 36 ticks in profit here. Yeah, beautiful. Well, that was a nice trade, guys, for anybody who joined us on that platinum trade. 40 ticks. So I took 3 losers this morning and only 1 winner. And I am up almost to my profit target because I let the nice one play out that time. It's nice how that works. All the way back to value area low, probably IB mid. So the confluence we had on that one was VWAP and IB mid, IB 50% high, and value area low on the week. Looking for the short, and you know, we broke above it. It kind of went above it and came right back below. So it reclaimed below it almost instantly, took the short. And we went straight down from there to value area low on the session and IB mid. Maybe we bounce here a little bit. That was a great trade. All right, I'm going to go back through everything here. So, and I stopped out of this one. You know, I was long right here off of IB mid. And value area high on the week. Looking for upside. We got a little bounce here, but then we kind of tanked below it. Stopped out. Small loser. I was trying to catch a long here in copper on 50% IB low. Stopped out. Small loser. Kind of reclaimed it. Silver's interesting. If we get down to here, this is VWAP on the week and IB low on silver. So So let's get a notification there. Man, that was a great platinum trade. Still going. So I don't really see much on platinum now. If we get back up here, it would be interesting. You know, if we get back up to that same level. Copper is kind of just chopping around down here at this bottom. A lot of selling picking up, but we're holding. Could be an interesting long. You know, we wicked nicely on the 15-minute, reclaimed 50% IB low, but the problem is we're still below all of the value areas. So it's tough to go long here. Indices look very choppy. Downside on the Russell. Gold seems to be holding VWAP here, but you know, the more interesting level is IB low, which is also weekly VWAP. So if we get down there, that's the better trade. I like this trade in silver. We got weekly VWAP and IB low. If you guys are not used to trading silver, be very careful. It's $25 a tick. You know, we might not even get down to this level. I'm not going to chase this bounce here. Buy right into the top of it. I'm going to wait. Could it continue here? Absolutely. But there's also 50% chance that, you know, this is a top and it keeps going down. We kind of have this channel. But it is what it is. Sometimes we don't get the trade. We don't get the setup. Happens too early. Gold's also bouncing here off VWAP. IB mid. This could be a chop area. Right here. Oh yeah. Everybody who bought yesterday. So, I mean, this could be an interesting shorting area on gold because we're below value area high on the week. We're now below value area high on the session. We're holding below IB mid. But the entry was up here. You know, I missed it. Yeah, this might dump right here. You know, that was a great entry if you were watching right there, short. We had confluence on the weekly and on the session. At least for a nice scalp back to VWAP. And it might drop right through it here. Copper. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Nosedive, huh? I ain't buying this. When we had this big of a down, you know, you might get a little scalp there. Actually. $78.5. $78.4. There's a lot of buying on the cumulative delta, and it's moving down. So we have a huge divergence here. All I'm seeing is buying on my 1 minute chart. Could be a good little long here. Back up to 50% or value area low on the session. I got it at 78.35. I don't love it. Not gonna lie. I was up for 5 ticks. Now I'm back to break even. I got to stop below that swing low there. Yeah, you got a little scalp there. Nice call on copper. I'm not looking for a big move on this one. This was a scalp. I was risking maybe 4 ticks to get 6. I mean, look at this down. I mean, I'm not trying to catch a reversal here. I just want a little bounce. Excuse me. Could it reverse here? Sure. But the probabilities, you know, look at this. I mean, we've been going down straight since last night in copper. Bigger waves down, too. So, you know, that's not something you want to try and catch a huge reversal on. A little bounce, sure. But, you know, if you feel like holding that, you got 50%. IB low here. You got session. We got IB low. I mean, there's a lot in the way here. That's bearish. We did have that nice break on gold. Look at that. So I was calling this as a nice short entry. IB mid, which was also, you know, we've broken below weekly high value here. So probably retesting VWAP here. Anybody catch that long in copper with me? Oh yeah, look at silver here. This is a very interesting level. Nice. See what we do here. That was nice. Alright, I'm up in 2 top step accounts. I'm moving to my 3rd. All right, I'm going to trade this. That was a nice silver trade. If anybody who grabbed that, you don't need many ticks in silver. I mean, we almost played this to the tick on IB low and to the tick on weekly VWAP. So that was a beauty. Trade like that can make your day, especially if you take more than one contract. It could also ruin your day. But all right, 273. All right, really nice trading in both my top step accounts today. I'm moving into my 3rd, and then I'll probably switch over to Apteros in another hour or so. I'm gonna take a little. Stand up here real quick. Get my blood moving again. Reset my brain. Because we have energy. IB coming in 6 minutes. All right, Finis. Thanks for joining us again this morning. We'll be here Thursday. And then every other day, for that matter. We got quite a few listeners today in the Discord. Got a handful of people on YouTube checking us out. Welcome. If you guys are new to my trading style, I have a bunch of videos that you might want to check out using VWAP and initial balance. It's a value-based strategy. I go over a lot of the principles and rules in those videos, and that's what we trade in our Discord group. You can join the Discord group. There's a link in the description on YouTube. Feel free to check us out. Okay. Silver still floating around here. So, you know, I would consider this already to be the test of IB low. So, you know, on the second and third test, yes, can it still find support? Sure. But the probabilities of getting the bounce, or at least a scalp off of it, are diminished. So once the first test takes place, I don't fade it again. Interesting, copper found that support, resistance at right here. Value area low. And 50% IB low. All right, so looks like oil found some support here at weekly VWAP. 71.48. Which is also very close to value area low in the session and IB high from yesterday. So we're probably going to get some chop here. We got a lot going on right here. So let's let IB get set. That would have been a good trade in oil, but IB was not set yet. I would like gold to get down to IB low, which is also weekly VWAP. Same exact level. That should be pretty powerful for a nice movement there. Value area low on the week and 50% IB on silver. We have confluence there. We get back up here too. We got value area high in the week and VWAP and IB mid. Copper, IB low. I don't see much here. Copper anymore. This high right here. First one or the second one? Yeah, look at that. So we call this the VWAP pinch. So we set a VWAP, anchor VWAP from the recent significant high. And then look at this. Boom. 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 All right, so we're chopping between these two VWAPs here. This is not a coincidence, ladies and gentlemen. This is where buyers and sellers are interested in getting involved based on where everybody bought and sold on an average weight on the volume and price. Science. All right, so this is interesting short here in oil too, isn't it? Kind of like the short here. IB mid and VWAP. All right, well, Back to value area low and IB low. I'm a fan. See what happens. All right, so we need to see price break below this. You know, as you can see, it kissed it. If we need buyers to lose control from this low of IB, we need to break below this VWAP level. Otherwise, we could probably do another retest of VWAP. I am short one contract at 71. So what I'm looking at in oil is this bearish break, return to value underneath anchor VWAP from the recent high, below VWAP on the session, below IB mid. We might get another test here. So we have a lot of resistance here. Starting to uptrend though. Would like to see a nice rejection here at session VWAP. Ten-year approaching value area high in the session. That's interesting. Nice oil. So we're testing this VWAP again in oil. Still can't get above IB mid, and then we still have session VWAP right there. So still a fan of the short. We did bounce at weekly VWAP, so you know, not great confluence, but it's decent. All right, 10 years coming up to value area high in the week and IB 50% high. See if I get filled. Nope, no fill. Trying to get filled on the ask in the 10 year at 15. I don't think it's going to happen. Missed the move. So what I was looking for in the 10 year. I might still get filled now. Value area high on the week. 50% IB high. I'm not chasing this. Tick value is too high to be chasing, especially with the higher the tick value, the worse chasing is. Here's oil retesting this VWAP level. I'll probably stop out right there. Yep. All right, I'm out of that trade. Could see a fake breakout here though. Obviously we have this bounce off weekly VWAP, so we have this uptrend now. See what the rest of energy is doing. Natural gas has this interesting area down here. VWAP session, value area high in the week, and IB 50% low. Gasoline's pretty much trading with oil right now. All right, let's let some other setups materialize. Oil's back up to opening print here, breaking above it. So I guess the next area of interest would be IB high. Which is also a value area high in the week. Silver back down IB low. Copper chopping around down here. It's down here. We got platinum straight down. Gold, value area low. Looks like it wants to go lower. I like the weekly VWAP test. we can get down there. So I don't see any setups right now. It's only 10, 11 in the morning. We don't even have an IB in the indices yet or any of the agriculture. I'm up at profit target for 2 top step accounts, about halfway there in my third. About $650 away from this one being an express funded account. We got any football fans in the Discord today? I'm a big Dolphins fan. I know Cash is a Kansas City Chiefs fan. Fins up, baby. Tua did not lose that game for us. The special teams lost that game for us. Yeah, we got Chiefs playing the Dolphins, don't we? Saturday night. Glad it's Saturday night, not Sunday night, so I could actually get to sleep Sunday night and be ready for Monday for once. 8 degrees. The Dolphins are going to love that, aren't they? This is looking very bearish on gold here. I would like to see a drop back down to IB low, and which is also weekly VWAP. So I'm really watching gold here. I think we'll see fins shrinkage in that 8 degrees. Opposite of fins up. Arctic fins. ES at VWAP. I would anticipate a break here. Strong bounce off weekly VWAP on ES. Here goes. See if we can keep running. Get some buyers step in here. Got a little bit of a confirmation here. That was a nice VWAP breakthrough. Got some people in the YouTube chat checking us out. We just went streamed live for the first time on YouTube yesterday. It's interesting. We only get a couple people watching stream, but then after the stream video turns into a video that you can rewatch, we get like a couple hundred people watch that. So, you know, maybe people will join us in the future. We'll see. I'm really focused on the Discord community more than anything. I just have to hit a button and it just streams over to YouTube. I'm not really watching that as closely. I'm more interested in developing a community of like-minded traders, and I think Discord offers the best platform to do that, where we can all follow a similar strategy and kind of alert each other to setups in that strategy. You know, Defile was alerting us to a couple good copper and silver trades early on. You know, I'm watching some other things. I see that. Now I can hop over. I took both of those trades, actually. So it's super helpful when we're all watching and looking for the same thing. We can alert each other to what is happening. And that's kind of how this whole thing started off. It was Cash and I just on a call each morning, watching, looking for the same things. And I would see something or he would see something. You know, the more eyes we have scanning, the better chance we have of capturing the setup before it's too late. NQ, value area high. That's a nice call on ES there. I called for a break of ES and the VWAP. Only because we just saw it in oh, oil's come back down. Look at that. All right, 11 minutes and we'll have IBs and the indices and agriculture. It's an interesting level in oil here. So this is the anchor VWAP from the low there. We could probably also take one from the high. Look at that. VWAP pinch. So we took an anchor VWAP from the high, one from the low. We found resistance at the high, and we found support at the low. So there's probably going to be a battle here, right? Until one side wins. So this is a very much a coin flip trade area. You can try and trade this range, but otherwise, you know, we have buyers and sellers. This is a key inflection point. And we're also at IB mid. And VWAP, you know, there's a whole lot going on in this area right here. Probably trade this chop. Looking for little scalps. Yeah, for sure. I think the overarching trend is bearish. Absolutely. Yeah, on the bigger picture, on the macro, you know, we're going down. You want to trade on it, Kaufman, or no? Still watching. Anything you're looking for? You know, we do have this big area down here. This is IB low, value area low, and, you know, just below weekly VWAP. Yeah. We got 4 on YouTube. That's pretty cool. We had like 8 yesterday. Yeah, NQ's ripping, huh? Watching oil to see what we do down here. Weekly VWAP, IB low, and value area low in the session, all in the same spot here. You know, we're going to keep trending down, or are we going to consolidate here? You know, I'd like to see some support established first, and then maybe go long to stay in balance. Gold, right off value area low. Back to VWAP. Silver chopping around pretty much the same place it has since the last hour. Copper still trending lower. You know, let's see if we get back down here. I mean, that was the spot to short the 10-year, but like it's barely sold out, you know, 3 or 4 ticks. Same with the T-bond. Platinum went to IB low 50%. And I'm just pointing out these areas, guys, to show that, like, you know, these are levels of support over and over and over again. You know, these are our key levels day in and day out on all the instruments. Obviously, I didn't trade it. I'm just trying to point out, like, you know, we hit these levels to the tick all the time. No. NQ. Value area high in the month. Yeah, that's pretty bullish, isn't it? I don't know where the entry is, you know, maybe I'm not a big fan of buying breakouts unless we come back and confirm a level. Got it. I'll be right back, guys. So we're just kind of sitting on our hands, guys. Not a whole lot of setups right here. Just watching, waiting for something to set up. NQ having a lot of trouble breaking out of value area on the session there. Oil, you know, just reconfirmed IB mid there. So I went short. Couldn't get past VWAP. See if we can get some more weakness here. My stops at break even. That was nice. So we had the break below, IB mid came up and reconfirmed the test there for the short. So that provided us with a nice little entry with confirmation. Anybody watching anything? I know we got eyes on NQ. We got completely rejected there on value area high, by the way. Yeah, same. No trades on indices for me yet, but we're getting awfully close. We got 15 seconds. This looks like it could be an interesting confirmation for long. This could be our entry here. Kaufman. All right, well, see if we get back up here. This is interesting. This is also interesting. This is weekly VWAP. Coming back down to VWAP here. Got pretty close there, didn't it? See if it holds. Maybe one more dip lower. Well, let's see what happens here, Kaufman. We just hit it to the tick, so good place to put a stop. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Hell yeah, it was. So, if you're not following in the Discord chat, we just took NQ from VWAP long, pretty much to the tick. So, you know, potential to go back up to value area high here. Nice. It seems to be a consolidation zone right here, though, for whatever reason. I don't know what's over here. We might have, yeah, look at that. Anchor VWAP. So we have to get over that. Oh, and monthly VWAP. Got it. Well, let's go. Prefer it when it goes straight up. It's my favorite. Nice trade, man. Good trade for I got out there, by the way. I only had one contract, so I'm just going to lock in the profits, and I hit profit target in all my top step accounts. So I'm going to be moving over to Apteros now, which I have to be super careful in. I took a max loss in that yesterday, my first drawdown in that account. So give me a minute while I switch accounts here. Nice. Yeah, you hold for the rest of us, Kaufman. I'll live vicariously through you. Yeah. Nice trade, Kaufman. Either way, beauty. I mean, it's probably going to test value IB high here. You know, we could get a rejection, a temporary rejection. It could break through, retest, confirm, or it could just keep blowing through. RTY, all right. It's okay, Kaufman. You don't go broke taking profits. Look, there's the rejection. IB high. You know, it could be temporary, but still. You know, we're still in balance here too. You know, expect, you know, on the session, we're still in balance. It was a nice move from VWAP to value area high, but we could very well go right back to VWAP from here. All right, let me get my account set up here. Is that a rejection there on Russell? Back below IB high. Yeah, oil is just trading this range now, isn't it? Long or short, Kaufman? I'm just trying to get my bearings here after switching accounts. Long? I mean, we're above weekly VWAP and we're above session VWAP and IB mid. Unless it's just sucking in longs before it dumps it again. Kind of like the risk to reward here on the long. Oh, glad I didn't take it. Let's see if it firms up here. Is this just a giant stop run here? It is a tough call. I mean, the risk to reward long is pretty nice here. We also have 72 right there. Psychological level of 72. Let's take a look at lean hogs. I like that. Let's take a look. Okay. Yep. I don't know if I like it though, because we're above value area high on the session. This is the first test, but look at this move on the higher time frame. I'm not trading that oil trade, Kaufman. It seems too coin flippish here to me. It's an extreme level in lean hogs for sure. Yep, starting to dump. Natural gas alert here. Value area high on the week. Oof, it's a hell of a drop there. I don't like it here. We got VWAP right there. Might be a better short on confirmation on either VWAP. Hey! Yeah, you missed a lot, actually. Took a lot of trades. Had some really good ones. There goes natural gas tanking. Lean hogs is at... oh, that was a beauty, wasn't it? Yeah, I'm very, very happy with that. Well, that's not good. Look at that. Lean hog blew right through that level. No trades left. Somebody sweep the order book and lean hogs with 800 contracts. Just blew through that level. Pike comes back and tests it. Which one? Yeah, for sure. All right. Well, this could be an interesting place to go long on lean hogs. Or it could just continue to bleed after somebody stepped in with 800 contracts. Right. Well, that lean hog trade stopped me out for the day. Filled me all the way up here, stopped me out. My stop was much tighter than that, but since it was a sweep, so if you understand how sweeps work, whoever is sweeping the book has the first right to all the orders before their orders are filled. That means if you have a stop order, it's going to go all the way up until their order's filled, and then your stop order gets filled. So I went short right here. Right? Looking for that first test of IB high. My stop was right above it, but my actual stop got filled way up here at the very tippy top. That sucks. Much I can do about that here, is there? Silver alert. See what we got. Value area low on the week and 50% IB low. See silver here, Cash? Ah, the gold man. Cash is our resident gold expert. All right, silver's at lows here. See what happens. Gold's tanking. Somebody just sold 200 contracts on silver there. Yeah. That happens, doesn't it? Yeah, hopefully that, that could be the... Strong. Kaufman, always a pleasure, man. Good trades today. Gold's still going lower. Man, what happened with gold, man? Holy shit. See ya. Still going. Silver's holding up, though. It's a pretty extreme sell-off in gold. Dude, silver will... it's great when it works. It'll beat you down when it doesn't. Gotta be very careful with silver. Sure looks like it wants to go lower. You got that huge initial balance in gold. I mean, silver's is pretty big too. Looks like somebody's protecting silver at this level, though. We'll see. Gold can catch a bounce. Silver will probably bounce with it. I mean, we're sitting right here at the lows. People are hitting the bid at the low here. Can't seem to break this level. We need to get back over 16. 16 is value area low on the week, and IB 50% low. I got lows. People whacking the bid. Gold. Making new lows. So gold's at this 50% IB low level, and it's also at value area low in the week. Might be a good little reversal point, at least temporarily. I can't believe silver's holding that level still. Sure looks like it wants to bust. Are we running out of selling down here? Volume is decreasing. Yeah, I do like this long on gold here. All right, I'll be right back, guys. I mean, that gold trade is still holding up. Gotta be patient. Here we go. Can't believe it held that level. Go silver. I am $6.50 away from hitting the combine target. So right? One quick NQ trade and so I took that gold long and silver long. So I had two positions running at the same time. I've closed them both. But that was nice. Silver trade came all the way back too. Did you close out of that cash or what? Got NQ at value area high in the week up here. All right, I'll be right back. NQ running, breaking through value area high in the week. Did not even stutter. Yep, that one's done. Well, what are you guys looking at? Anything interesting? Q looks like that 50% level, 790 could be next stop. Got NQ breaking out of value area in the week. Wants to make another run higher here. Oh yeah, look at that. My stuff froze for some reason. I see what happened. Accidentally closed Rhythmic. What's oil doing? Oh, oil's taking off, huh? You still got that? Some Q's, got some sellers stepping in still. What's oil gonna do next is the question. Look at silver, man. You caught that? That whole move? Interesting. I don't know what happened here. Well, guys, it's 11:30. Up in all three of my top steps, and another max loss in my Apteros because of that disgusting order book sweep that stopped me out to the tick on lean hogs. Ugh. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to wrap up here for today. Any questions before I head out? Yeah, of course. Good one. A lot of good early ones. So, cash missed out. Nice. All right, guys. I'll load up some trade analysis later today. If you're going to stick around trading, good luck. Stay safe. See you guys tomorrow morning, same time. See you later.